Leader Jeffries, you're recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you to our ranking member, Jim McGovern, for the opportunity to testify before the Rules Committee on behalf of an amendment that Whip Catherine Clark and I are introducing that would extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits for 3 years. Millions of working-class Americans all across this country are struggling from the high cost of living that exists in the United States of America. This country is too expensive. Now, Donald Trump and Republicans promised all throughout 2024 that costs were going to go down on day one. But costs aren't going down for the American people under Republican complete control of government. Costs are going up. Housing costs up. Grocery costs up. Electricity bills through the roof. And now, because of the Republican refusal to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits, tens of millions of Americans are about to experience dramatically increased premiums, co-pays, and deductibles. In some cases, everyday Americans, working-class Americans, middle-class Americans are going to see their premiums go up by $1,000 or $2,000 per month. We have an affordability crisis here in the United States of America, and Republicans continue to bury their heads in the sand. During the longest shutdown in American history, the Trump Republican shutdown, what we've seen repeatedly from our Republican colleagues, who here in the House were on a taxpayer-funded vacation for more than 7 weeks, welcome back, is that Donald Trump has done everything but try to actually make life better for the American people. He somehow has found $40 billion to bail out his right-wing wannabe dictator buddy in Argentina, putting Argentina first, but not the American people first. And so Whip Clark and myself, on behalf of the House Democratic Caucus, believe that this amendment to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits for tens of millions of hard-working American taxpayers is actually designed to put the American people first. And we're hopeful that our Republican colleagues will join us and abandon the reckless policies that you all have pursued in creating this Republican health care crisis, including but not limited to what Republicans did in your one big ugly bill, largest cut to Medicaid in American history, ripping health insurance away from at least 14 million people. Hospitals, nursing homes, and community-based health clinics all across the country, including in rural America, are closing because of Republican policies. And now, because of the refusal to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits, tens of millions of people are going to suffer, will be unable to see a doctor when they need one in every single community in this country. And so we respectfully urge all of our colleagues to support this amendment to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits and support the American people. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Jeffries. Ms. Clark, you're recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair, Ranking Member McGovern, members